session, we'll be studying about internal organ stomach. We have already studied about brain, lungs, heart. Today we'll be dealing with stomach. Now what is a stomach? Our stomach is a bag-like organ. Why it is comparing it with a bag? See children, what is a bag? A bag is a container in which you put many things. If you see your school bag, you put your notebooks, books, lunchbox and water bottle. So it contains many things. Similarly, our stomach is a bag-like organ which contains many food items. And now where is this stomach present? It is present inside the belly. Okay, the location of the stomach is inside the belly. Now what is this belly? Let us see. Children, can you see this outline picture of your body? This is outline picture and here is your belly. This yellow part is your belly where your stomach is located. Now, when you eat food, you eat your food through your mouth. Okay, you all know what a mouth is. So from the mouth, the food is further chewed by your teeth. Can you know? Do you know this? Teeth chew the food. We have 32 teeth. So when we eat the food, from the mouth, the journey begins. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive system. And when you put your food in the mouth, it is the tongue which tells us the taste with the help of taste buds. And can you see this tongue? And there are salivary glands under your tongue which secretes saliva. Actually, the smell of the food triggers the salivary glands in your mouth to secrete saliva, causing mouth to water. When we actually taste the food, the saliva increases. Okay, so we taste with the tongue and the water which comes in the mouth, it is coming through these salivary glands. Now, the food after entering the mouth, it is pushed down. This pushing of the food is called swallowing. After swallowing, the food it moves in this pipe. Can you see this pipe? This pipe is called food pipe. From the food pipe, the food reaches your stomach. Can you see this bean-shaped organ? This is your stomach. So from the mouth to from the food pipe, you can say from the journey started with mouth, then it is pushed. The food moves through the food pipe and reaches our stomach. Okay, now what is a stomach? You can say a bag-like, a sack-like organ. Can you see here? It is a bean-shaped organ, bag-like container in which we can put many things. So, a sack-like organ where the walls of this stomach is very much muscular. Now, what happens here? When the food reaches the stomach secretes an acid. Do you know, children, what is the name of that acid? That acid is hydrochloric acid. Now, hydrochloric acid, which is secreted from stomach, mixes with the food and the food is broken down into more finer particles and it becomes the paste here. Okay, now from stomach, the food reaches to small intestine. Now what is this small intestine? A small intestine is an intestine which is a long tube. Can you see? It is just arranged in such a manner that it is arranged in a small circular loops, but it is a tube. Approximately the length of the tube is 24 foot. Now here in the small intestine, can you see the small intestine? The real digestion starts. So small intestine is the major site of digestion. Here the nutrients are absorbed by the wall of the small intestine, and then the nutrients goes in the bloodstream, from where we get energy. So the nutrients which is required by the body is absorbed in the small intestine, and unwanted thing goes in this large intestine. Can you see this, children? Now this large intestine, again it's a tube like structure. Can you see how it is located, how it is situated inside your body? It is a tube like structure. It is around 5 feet long. This large intestine is not longer than small intestine. If we compare the length of both the intestine, the length of small intestine is longer than the length of large intestine. Okay, so after the absorption in the small intestine, the unwanted thing moves in this tube. This tube is known as large intestine. And from the large intestine, can you see this? From the large intestine, it moves outside the body through anus. This is the exit point. You can say the unwanted material goes out from the body through anus. So this is your complete digestive system. Let us take a quick recap. From the mouth, the food reaches the stomach through this food pipe. From the stomach, it mixes with the acid, becomes fine paste. It reaches to small intestine. Small intestine is the tube where the real digestion takes place, where the nutrients are absorbed and passed in the bloodstream. Unwanted moves in the large intestine, and the unwanted material is thrown out through anus. Okay, so students, eat fresh and healthy food. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy your day. Bye bye. Tata. Thank you.